gentlemen. My name is Garcia, and I'm here with Rick Gomez, which is going to tell us a little bit about what he does in his business. I find it is very interesting, and you're going to like what he has to say. So how you doing, Rick?
I'm doing great, Janet. Thank you. How are you?
Pretty good, thank you. I'm glad that you're here with us. Tell us a little bit about what you do, your background, where you're coming from before you enter network marketing.
I've been in corporate America for the past 30 years. I live here in the Houston area. I've worked in major oil companies. I've been a management consulting. Worked in IT, project management, a little bit of everything. And over the years, I've been entrepreneuring in a lot of different other areas. And I got bitten by the network marketing bug back in the 80s. Didn't do a lot with it because I was still trying to find what network marketing was all about, and so didn't do too much in network marketing. But so my background is in oil and gas. It's in finance, IT, project management.
And tell us a little bit about what specific product or service are you currently promoting?
Well, currently I'm promoting with a company called Ingnite. It's a marketing arm of Stream Energy. We're involved with energy deregulation here in Texas and in Georgia, and now we're in the Northeast, particularly Pennsylvania and now Maryland. And so we're into helping customers save money and make money every time somebody pays their electricity bill or pays their electricity bill. That's when we help people save money.
For people to understand what exactly is, tell us what is or what it means deregulation.
That's a good question. In a lot of states, I'll just use Texas as an example. For the longest time, one or two companies were the only people that you could buy electricity from. I think you're in Florida, and Florida only has, I think, one or two companies that sell electricity. When deregulation happens, it opens it up to the competition and to other competitors, other suppliers, and Stream Energy is one of those suppliers here in Texas. And so what happens is people just get a choice. Before deregulation, there's no choice. You go with that company that provides electricity. After deregulation, there's other competitors. The rates are competitive, and so it gives people a choice.
And I understand that at the moment, not every state is involved in it. Which other states are involved in this program?
As far as Ignite only works the projects in Texas for electricity, Georgia for natural gas, Pennsylvania and Maryland now for electricity also, residential electricity. There's other states that are deregulated, and as Stream Energy, the parent company, evaluates the profitability of each of these other states, then they'll start moving into these other states. There's a lot of things that go into making a business decision about entering a new state. And a lot of it has to be, is there a market for us? Will the pricing that exists now let us be competitive and actually let the company make a profit? And then is there an opportunity where we get a chance to educate consumers about deregulation? So they always look for that. If there's enough meters to read and to have as customers, they also want to know the maturity level of the state. Do they have enough education about what's going on with deregulation? And if they don't, well, then that gives us an opportunity to go in there and teach people, work with people, and educate them about switching energy companies and saving money by switching with us.
So as far as I understand is that the person entering the program not only is going to save by saving on their electrical bill, but they also will be earning income with it. This is a network marketing opportunity also?
It is a network marketing opportunity. We get paid on not only our own bill, but we also get paid on bills. When you go to the promotion and the compensation plan, you can get paid on customers to unlimited depth. Case in point, in Pennsylvania, right now I'm getting paid on over 700 customers in Pennsylvania, Um, and my sponsor, because the way the compensation plan works, he's getting paid on like 2,000 customers in Pennsylvania. And so it's a very solid compensation plan. At first it was confusing even to me, but once I found out how it worked, and then we were able to put some numbers to it because we saw Pennsylvania just explode. Now we can see that any state that we go into, the people that really get into it at the beginning will know that this plan works, because people are getting involved, and it's, if you can't convince yourself to be your own customer, then you can't do this business, because you can save money and be your own customer, and it's really that simple.
Great. I'm glad to hear that. It's important when you believe in what you're doing and you become a customer also. So it's funny because the other day I was reading a post on Facebook, and someone was posting about that they could sell anything without really actually even using or not even like the product. and it shocked me because to me that doesn't make sense. You have to like what you do, and you have to believe in what you're promoting and use it. How can you convince someone how good a product is if you don't even have used it and you don't know, you haven't experienced yet that product? So what do you think about that?
Well, Janet, you're right. In any product-based company, you have to be you have to use the product. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a weight loss product, a vitamin, whatever it is, you have to use it. In this case, I don't know anybody that doesn't know how to use electricity. I mean, it is what it is. There's no difference. Everybody uses it, so it's a service. It's not a product. So, yeah, I can use it, but I can't tell you that it's greater than your electricity. Electricity is electricity. There's no difference. The only thing that's different is the rate that you pay. And so just to, you can shop on rate. You can. So that's why I like this business, is because not only is the company solid, not only is it from Texas, not only is it electricity and energy, you have to have it. I mean, I can skip a day of vitamins, I can skip a month of other things, but I will not skip a month of electricity.
A good point. Another question. I understand that you recently went to Pennsylvania. Tell us a little bit about that trip and what did you accomplish?
I went to Pennsylvania because we were opening up Pennsylvania, and we already had a team building and growing there. And I wanted to go visit firsthand because all I could see was numbers on my screen. It kept growing and growing, and I said, I want to be there. But they go, well, why do you want to go in January? It was freezing. When I got there, the day I got there, it was like 26 degrees. And the day that I left 2 weeks later, it was 6 degrees. And so it was, the whole time I was there, it was freezing, but got to see a lot of snow, got to see a lot of good people, got to see a lot of, we had a lot of great meetings. The teams that I have growing up there are, we have home meetings, we have the hotel meetings, and the company just does it right to roll out their marketing plan. And we were having a couple of hundred people a night at these meetings, and they're people just like anywhere else. They're looking for an opportunity. They want to change what they're doing. They want to do something different. And so this was different. And a lot of people didn't join. There's people that did join, and there's people that didn't join. And it goes back to being at the right place at the right time for that person in their life. Is it, are we the right thing for that person at that point in time? And so the thing that I like to tell people is that we just got to keep telling the story, and if it's right for you, it's great. You'll like it. If it's not right for you, that's great too. We'll still be here. And again, that goes back to the longevity of the company and the stability, is that it's a proven product here in Texas. One of the examples that I give up in Pennsylvania is that this is about the closest thing to a risk-free kind of opportunity that you can have, because it's already been proven in Texas. It's already been working in Texas. So it's so you go to a new state and we're not there yet. Well, it's like they say, well, it's not proven. Well, it is proven. It's already proven in Texas, already proven in Georgia. It's already proven in Pennsylvania again in just a matter of 6 months. Over 50,000 customers have come on board. And So it'll help. It'll continue to grow as we go into these other states.
I have one more question, and it's what message would you like to leave people with as a business person and as a network marketer also?
You know, the message that we're trying to give people right now is that you just have to start something. You know, you don't know how it's going to end. You don't know what's going to happen, but you just have to start doing something. And I even tell people, I don't care what opportunity you're working on right now. If you're looking to do something, go do it. And go do it, you know, with all your heart, all your might. Because really, entrepreneurship, network marketing, having your own business, that is the future. At least it is in my book. And that, you know, if you do it, go do it. Don't, you know, but you have to start. You're always going to have people that don't like your product. You're always going to have people that don't like the price. You're always going to have people that say you're crazy. You know, my ex-wife thought I was crazy when I was going to do this, but you know, when she saw that first residual check last month, she's like, "Wow, this is cool. Now we can pay for my daughter's college." I go, "This is good." So you just got to start. It's not what you do; it's what you start. All right.
That was really, really good. I really loved that. Well, thank you, Rick, for being with us today. And it's good that you mentioned that it takes hard work for any business, any network marketing, and this is not even the future, it's the present, I think. Even President Clinton encouraged people to be on their own, have their own business and in network marketing. So I hope that this opens the eyes and the ears of everybody that is watching this, that, you know, with today's economy as it is, network marketing is the way to go, and it takes hard work. It's not that it's a magical formula, and you know, you have to work your business like any other business, and that's good for people to listen to that because they think it's network marketing is easy because it's a group and you join other joins and then you have to do nothing else, and it doesn't work that way. Thank you very much, Rick, for being with you today in this interview. And we'll provide the link for you for this video so you can use it also.
Just the last thing is just to thank you for having me on. I know everything you've been doing in the video arena and your blog. I really enjoyed watching your videos there and what you're teaching. I think video is a good way to get people involved. It is a good way to break the ice because people can see each other. You know, I think this forum where you're at here, you're doing a great job with your company, and Talk Fusion looks like a great platform. I just want to thank you again for helping me get my message out. And if there's anything I can do for you, just let me know because you're doing a great job yourself. All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you. But there you have it, guys. And in fact, yes, we're using Talk Fusion's web conferencing software, and you can use it for interviews also. It's not just for broadcasting and presentations. You can use it for live presentation too. So here is a little commercial at the end. My sponsor.
I'm one of the guys here at Talk Fusion, and they gave me 60 seconds to tell you what we're all about. Talk Fusion is a service that allows you to place any video into emails so that when your email is received, it plays just like a movie. Without downloads, without attachments. Now that's history in the making, folks. You can send video emails about whatever you want. Yourself, your business, your dog, your birthday, your vacation, your kids, your latest $1 million idea, whatever. It's so cool and so simple to make one. First, choose from a growing library of over 400 message themes, or create your own. Need extra flair? We'll even create a personalized one just for you. Next, upload your video and personalize your message by adding some text. Then hit send. In seconds, voila! Your awe-inspiring video email masterpiece will arrive anywhere in the world. Post your video on any website, Facebook, your blog, or even your own 3D social networking site, The Fusion Wall. In total, we provide 8 cutting-edge video communication services. You can use them for fun, personal stuff, or as very smart business tools. Either way, Talk Fusion has you covered. Try it. It only takes a few minutes, and that's a wrap in a minute.